What's up everybody, it's Brenton Brown from Forza Tuning and Performance, and today I'm going to show you the tool that we use to diagnose and repair McLaren vehicles just like the dealer does. So the main reason why we use Leonardo tool is because it is the only diagnostic tool that covers all the exotic cars. So there's a company based out of Italy, and we literally use the same exact tool for Ferrari, Lamborghini, McLaren, Bentley, Rolls-Royce, basically any exotic car line that we do here. So we started using Leonardo diagnostic tool back in around 2014. And since that time, the tool was really well developed at that time. Since then, it is phenomenal the progress that they've made. So since then, we've actually become the East Coast distributor for the tool. That's how much we believe in the tool. So we've used it exclusively on all exotic car makes and models for almost going on 8 years now. So it pretty much handles all the diagnostic stuff that we need for any car, as far as clutch changes, diagnostic stuff, even regular service to reset the oil light. Even in a McLaren, unless you have a dealer tool or the Leonardo tool, you cannot reset the service indicator light. So this tool is integral to anything that you're going to do on one of these exotic cars. So for an example, I'm sitting on the door sill of a 650S McLaren. So McLaren is one of the hardest vehicles to get any diagnostic information out of all the exotic car brands. So as you can see, I'm sitting here plugged in. The interface is Bluetooth, so I don't even have to be sitting here in the car. But you can see the amount of coverage that they have is very extensive. They even have Senna and P1, but for this example, we'll just do 650S Spider. That's what we have here. 2014 gasoline, and you can see the interface is very quick. And you can pick, these are all the modules that you can go into. You can do a quick test, which scans every single module and it'll tell you just the ones with the fault, so you can filter them out. You can clear all the faults. You can code everything from modules to anything you want. So I'll show you just real quick, and you can see how fast this tool is. This is how fast it communicates with the modules. So you can see there's literally 8 different pages of PIDs that you can see on just the roof control module. So it's very fast. It'll give you warnings if the voltage is too low or anything like that, so you can't get in any trouble with it. So you can see that it noticed that the door is open, so it did not reset the roof calibration. So it makes it so foolproof that it will tell you if there's any parameter that's not met. So it checks automatically the door switches, all the micro switches on the convertible top. So if any parameter is not met before you damage the vehicle, it'll give you a warning and it'll cancel out the test. So this tool is really helpful in that regards. You know, there's cars like a lot of Ferrari models, 458, 488. If you reset the service light and the time and date is not correct on the instrument cluster, it will fry the instrument cluster, which is around $10,000 in those cars. So it will give you a warning to advise you to reset the time and date. It will tell you that it will damage the instrument cluster module if you proceed with resetting the procedure. So it'll let you if you ignore all warnings. But you know, as far as if you got technicians in your shop and you're having them service the vehicles and you need some kind of safety net before they damage something, they go above and beyond as far as, you know, trying to warn the technicians of that you could possibly damage something in the car before it actually happens. This kind of gives you an example in real life. You know, this is McLaren 650S. What other diagnostic tool even claims that they can do McLaren, much less will do it and show you on screen. So this is the real deal. It does everything, and we use this. Obviously, you can see just at this one point in time, there's 3 McLarens in the shop. So we use this extensively on every model. So if you have a 675, 600, 720, whatever model you have and you're wondering if it works, yes, we've never run into a McLaren model that it does not work on, even with Senna and P1. So well worth the money if you service these vehicles on a regular basis.